Now y'all take the lead. ORSI. ORSI. ORSI.
आज सोयील असता तुम्ही कितकोन घालतीपणान तुमक जप केलतो.
आई सिंगा येवकार दिता.
So I'd like to welcome all of you and for giving me your valuable time today. Is about me and the Congress leaders listening to you.
आईचो हे सभेचो हेतू जावन आसा गांधीजी म्हणटा आपणाक तुमची फामील आमची फामील कशी समजची आणि तुमकां कितें पळय सांगपाक जाय.
It is to become the voice of the people of Goa.
काँग्रेस पार्टीची स्ट्रॅटेजी ओ मांडणी आहा ती जावन आसा लोकांच्या मनान कितें आहा तेच मुखार व्हरपाक. आवाज लोकांचो
And to protect what is your interest.
आणि तुमचो इंटरेस्ट तो सांबाळपाक.
We are very clear that we do not want Goa to be a coal hub when it does not benefit Goa to be a coal hub.
आमकां जायो आमचो गांव हो कोल खाब जायनासतना उरपाचो बरो उरपाचो ही काँग्रेस पार्टीचें मत आहा.
And that goes for a lot of the environmental destruction that is taking place here.
आणि हे आख्खेच एनवायरमेंटाक डिस्ट्रक्शन जाता हे आमी सभे बाजार सांगतात म्हणून.
Towards the end of this conversation, I will give you my views on a lot of these issues, but I would like to hear your views on what you are facing, on how the